Is CapCut literally ruining your day with that annoying no internet connection message? Or refusing to export your video when you're on a deadline? Yeah, we're fixing that right now. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest ways to fix both the no internet error and the export problem in CapCut. These are real solutions you can do in under a minute. No complicated settings, no tech talk, just straight to the point. Let's jump in. So, as you can see from here, my templates are working and loading as it should, and it works perfectly. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve internet error issues and get all your effects and templates loading. The first thing to do is to connect our phone to a VPN, and for this video, I will be using this VPN called Turbo VPN for this tutorial. But you can get any VPN of your choice. So, if you want to download this VPN first, go to your Google Play Store. Then go to the search bar and search for Turbo VPN, but you can also use any VPN that you want. Then make sure you download this particular one. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, I have already downloaded it, so I will proceed to open it and show you how to use it. So all you need to do is to download it, then after that, open it. And this VPN is also free and trusted. So this is the interface of Turbo VPN. Very simple and easy to use. So click on this caret button here and wait for the VPN to be connected. And it takes a few seconds to complete connecting to the virtual servers. And if yours is not connecting, then make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. And as you can see from this side, our VPN is connected to a Canada server. And if you don't want this server, you can also change it so to do just that. Come and tap on the Canada box right here. And after tapping on it, you can see a lot of location here to use even in the free version. And for CapCut users, I recommend you use locations that CapCut is available. So I am going to use Singapore. So I will tap on the Singapore server. Then wait for a while for it to be connected. After connecting, if you have opened CapCut, then you have to close it from previously opened apps. So I will go to my previously opened apps and close CapCut from there. Then the next step is very crucial, so follow it carefully. Now you will need to force stop CapCut. So, tap and hold CapCut until this box appears. Then, tap on App Info. Then CapCut App Info will open. So if you are using a different phone just to 2 settings, then search for CapCut. Now tap on Force Stop right here at the bottom. Then tap on OK to Force Stop CapCut. So, after force stopping CapCut close settings, then open CapCut again. Then, let's go to Templates. And as you can see, our template is loading very well, and I'm not having any network error issues. Then, let's create a new project. And if you go to Effects, all your effects will load perfectly without issues. Alright, that's how you fix both the no internet error and the export issues in CapCut. I hope one of these solutions got your app working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more editing tips, and drop a comment if you have any other problems you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.